In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google on Steam Deck. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All Steam Deck models will feature a desktop mode, which has Firefox already installed, or you can even download alternative browsers like Google Chrome and Brave, which allow you to access the Google search engine and any other services or websites that you would like. So anything that you can do on a web browser, on a PC, laptop, or smartphone, most likely you will be able to reproduce on any model of the Steam Deck. So to do this, press and hold the power button, and in here you will find the option to switch to desktop. So this is where you will be able to browse through a standard desktop interface and access a web browser to open Google. When you choose switch to desktop, your screen might flicker, it might turn off for a few seconds, and when you are back, you are going to have this interface. If you have never been here, essentially, it is going to be Steam OS, or rather a modification of Linux. So if you have used Windows before, it is essentially the same thing. You will have the corresponding icon at the bottom left where you can open the apps and other options, aka the start menu. You will have icons like shortcuts at the desktop here. You can return to gaming mode when you are done using desktop by choosing this icon. You will have the system tray, but to keep it simple, if all you want to do is access Google, I recommend using Firefox. If you want to download Google Chrome, then you have to go over to the store where you can find the option to download different applications and different web browsers. You will also find other web browsers like Brave, but I'm not going to go into the App Store for this video. But when you open any valid web browser, the very first thing that you will see is Google. If you aren't automatically redirected to Google, just go over here, open the keyboard by pressing the Steam button plus X, and then you can go over to google.com. It is simple to do, and this desktop mode functions essentially like a PC or laptop running Linux. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google on Steam Deck. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.